Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove background in video using Capcut. Let's get to it. Here I have imported my video to Capcut and we're going to remove the background of this video. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the video, or we can click on this edit option right here. And I'm just going to click on the video. Then we're going to slide our screen until we find cutout option, guys. And it's right here. Just tap on it, and then after that you can click on remove background since we want to remove the background of the video. Alright, and the background has been removed, and we can click on this check mark, then click on this button and click on this button again, and we're going to play the video to check the result. Alright, just play the video. And as you can see that the background has been removed, and that's how we can remove background on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.